Congratulations on your admission to VCU, and welcome to the Ramily. This video walks you through how to pay your tuition deposit as a newly admitted undergraduate student preparing for your first semester. Before we get started, let's make sure you have a few things ready. First, your offer response form. This must be submitted before you pay your tuition deposit. Head to ugradadmissions.vcu.edu/status to log into your admitted student portal and confirm your form has been submitted. Second, Duo Mobile. VCU uses Duo Mobile for two-factor authentication when you log in. If you haven't already, download the app for free on iOS or Android before proceeding. You can find information about Duo Mobile at go.vcu.edu/duo. Third, your VCU EID. You'll need this to log in and pay your deposit. If you haven't claimed your EID yet, visit go.vcu.edu/myeid and select Claim My EID. You'll need two things to claim it: your date of birth and your V number. Your V number is included in your offer of admission letter, which you can find right here in your admitted student portal at ugradadmissions.vcu.edu/status. One quick note before we dive in. If you're planning to live on campus, the housing deposit is a separate process from your tuition deposit. Visit housing.vcu.edu for everything you need on that. Once you have all three of those items squared away, you're ready to pay your tuition deposit. Let's walk through it together. First, open a web browser and go to go.vcu.edu/eservices. Log in using your VCU EID and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Applicants section and click on it. From there, select Pay Tuition Deposit. This will take you to your student account. In your student account, click Deposits in the menu bar. Next, select the term you'll begin taking classes at VCU. This is either fall, spring, or summer. In the Deposit Payment dropdown, choose Tuition Deposit. Now enter your deposit amount. Here's a quick breakdown. School of the Arts undergraduate students pay $300. All other undergraduate students pay $100. When you're ready, click Continue. Then select your payment method and enter your card details. We accept credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, BC Card, and Dina Card. Once your payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation page with your receipt. We recommend saving or printing this for your records. You can also verify your payment anytime by clicking the Deposit History tab. That's it. You're all set. It generally takes 2 to 3 business days for your tuition deposit to process, and then you'll be ready to register for orientation, apply for housing, and more. If you run into any issues, reach out to VCU Office of Admissions at ugrad@vcu.edu or 804-828-1222. Welcome to the RAM family. We can't wait for you to join us.